We'll guide you through how to check your email ID. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to go and check your email ID. We're guiding you through doing this on an iPhone and an Android. This is important to go and know because if you're wanting somebody to go and send you an email, they need your ID, aka your email address and address. So we're going to guide you through how this can be found on both an iPhone and an Android. Once you've got it, you can then go and give it to people and businesses and sign up for an account, etc. So what we need to do is you want to go and we'll start on the iPhone. You want to go and open up the Mail app just here. You can always go and drag down and go and search for mail to go and find it. Then what you can do is go and press the compose or new email button in the bottom right. Then just below 2, you can see where it says from. And you can go and see my email here is robtuckervideos@gmail.com. Or if you've got multiple emails here, you can always go and tap on it and you can go and see your others there as well. You can then note this down and go and give it to people. Now, if you want to do this on an Android, what you need to do is we need to go and find the Gmail app. So you should be able to go and find it in the Google folder, or you can go and swipe up, press search at the top and go and type in Gmail, but I'll just come into the folder. Similarly, press compose or the new email button in the bottom right. And then at the top here, it'll go and say from, and you can go and see your email there. If you've got multiple, you can tap there to go and change it. I only have one here. So you can then note that down and give it to people.